Hey everyone, I'm back again. This is going to be my second video on some really basic coding samples just to get my portfolio built up and to share a little bit with everybody else. So in this video, we're going to go over detecting if a word is a palindrome or not. I've had this question in the past as a coding exercise to do on a whiteboard, and I failed pretty miserably. It's not something I was prepared for at the time. So I thought we'd go ahead and do it again this time and see how it goes. So anyway, I've got the basic structure in place so that we don't spend any time watching me do stuff that we're going to have to do over and over. So we've got, nice little header. We're going to prompt the user for a word, and then we're going to I just output the word to make sure it was working. You can see it down here. So what we need to do is go ahead and reverse the word that the user is inputting, which is right here. So we'll probably want to create a new string. Whoops. So we could probably create a new string. Drow is backward. There's a palindrome of word, just, to be kind of silly. We got to turn it into a character array so that it can do its stuff. That unlocks the ability to just do verse and then throw it back into an array. Oops. Oh, whoa. Now that should reverse the word input by the user, and then all we've got to do is if word equals brow console.write line, you have discovered a palindrome. Else. Now this is super simple. We're not going to go into any object-oriented stuff. We just want to get some of the logic, some of the basic uses of C# on this video. Your word is, so we'll do 0 here. Is not a palindrome. Then what we can do here is do word comma drow, just so we can kind of output those. Oops. There we go. So we'll do that. Now let's run it. Give it a little go. All right. So let's do racecar. I believe that is a palindrome. You've discovered a palindrome. Okay, now let's run it again. We'll run it again just so that we can try something that isn't a palindrome, like racecar 1. Obviously, not gonna work. Your word 0. Oh, that didn't. Yeah, okay. We're supposed to do it this way. It's been a while since I've done some of the basics. Let's give it another shot. All right. Racecar 1 isn't a palindrome, so it should output it. Yeah, there we go. All right. So yeah, there you go. That's a palindrome checker in C#. And it's basically one line of code to convert it and then a quick check. So love to hear your thoughts on how to do this differently, or if you see something that I did that you don't agree with, I'd love to hear them in the comments. But until next time, guys, thanks for watching.